Sir, North Korea's research in the nuclear field seems to have finally paid off.
Use the anti-ballistic missile.
Sir, that would cause the nuke to blow up right over School of Dolphins in.
Peter would lose it. There has to be another way. What do you have?
Golly gee willikers!
What is it?
This warhead currently heading for the LA Bay Area.
No, there has to be a way.
Sir, we do not have much time. We need to call him in.
He's not ready.
May God have mercy on us all.
I'm sending him the coordinates now, sir.
Okay, no. You listen here. We all know Meek Mill annihilated Drake in that diss battle. Everyone knows it. 1 second. Work. Yeah, I'll be right back, Mom. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, work went well. Thanks for asking.